Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss standard 10's lesson number 2, historiography, Indian tradition. Already we have discussed some of the part of the lesson, and today we are going to discuss Indian historiography, various ideological frameworks. Colonial historiography. The British officers and Christian missionaries wrote Indian history. It is known as colonial historiography. They ridiculed, means made fun of or criticized Indian culture and supported British rule. The 5 volumes of Cambridge History of India, published in between 1922 to 1937, is an example of the same. Orientalist historiography. The European scholars who were curious to study the history of the Eastern countries and who respected the Eastern culture are known as Orientalists. The Orientalists studied Vedic tradition and Sanskrit literature and stated that Sanskrit is the mother of all Indo-European languages. In 1784, Sir William Jones founded Asiatic Society in Kolkata. It is dedicated to study ancient Indian literature and history. Frederick Max Muller is an important Orientalist who translated the Sanskrit text of Hitopadesh. He was the editor of 50 volumes of the sacred books of the East. He also compiled Rig Veda and published it in 6 volumes. He also translated Rig Veda in German. Edward Said is his surname. Edward Said, a scholar, put focus on imperialistic interest of the Orientalists. Now let us see nationalistic historiography. The Indian historians studied in the British rule and who wrote about the golden era of the Indian history and criticized the prejudiced history written by the British officers are known as nationalistic historians, and their writing is called nationalistic historiography. They are Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Ramakrishna Gopal Bhandarkar, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Rajendra Lal Mishra, Ramesh Chandra Muzumdar, Kashi Prasad Jaiswal, Radha Kumud Mukherjee, Bhagwan Lal Indarji, Vasudev Vishnu Mirashi, and Sadashiv Altekar. Justice Mahadev Ranade wrote the book The Rise of Maratha Power. V.K. Rajwade is known for his writings in Marathi on history, linguistics, etymology, grammar, etc. He was of the opinion that we should write our own history. He compiled and edited 22 volumes of Marathyancha Itihasachi Sadhane with scholarly prefaces to all. According to him, history should be all-inclusive, means it should include many other things apart from politics and wars. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar wrote The Indian War of Independence 1857, in which he described the war of 1857 as a war of independence and not as a revolt. So in this way, in today's lecture we discussed about Indian historiography, various ideological frameworks. Now already I had taught this part, but unfortunately due to some problem this video had already been uploaded on YouTube, and I linked the I shared the link with you, but due to some problem it is not audible, and that is why once again I have recorded it. Okay, so thank you very much.